How to check login activity on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can check the login activity on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To check your login activity on Snapchat, open up the Snapchat app and this is the kind of interface you will see. Now from here what you have to do is, if you suspect that you want to view all of the login activity here, tap on the profile icon from the top left, then tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side. Now when you do this, you just need to scroll and here you'll see one option that says session management. So when you go to session management, you'll see all the sessions that are currently logged into your account and you can remove them from here. Another option you can find is, if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see saved login info. This will show you a list of devices where your login info is saved. So you can tap on the minus icon there and choose to delete that particular device. And in this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically actually check the login activity on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.